A wise old owl. There was an old owl who lived in an oak tree every day. He observed incidents that occurred around him. Yesterday, he watched as a young boy helped an old man carry a heavy basket. Today, he saw a young girl shouting at her mother. The more he saw, the less he spoke. As the days went on, he spoke less but heard more. The old owl heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying an elephant jumped over a fence. He heard a man saying that he had never made a mistake. And so the old owl had seen and heard what happened to people. And there were some who became better, some who became worse. But the old owl in the tree had become wiser each and every day. So the moral of the story is that be more observant, talk less, and listen more. And this will make us wise. Thank you.